Hi, I'm Veronica Yoo. Welcome back to my course. Last week we covered about weight loss theory and then why we can't keep it off for good and why calorie counting theory doesn't work for the long-term weight loss. So if you haven't watched that course, please go back to watch this weight loss theory, the course 1. And today we are going to cover about hormone and especially fat storing hormone. So let's get started. Okay, we are here, the lecture 1, insulin. You're going to learn today about hormones because you need to understand what is a hormone and functions of a hormone first. Then we're going to dive into insulin. So main functions of insulin. Then how does the imbalance the insulin contribute to weight gain? And also we're going to discuss about insulin resistance. You may heard about this or maybe you already know you are insulin resistance. And we're going to go through the causes of insulin resistance and also what are the symptoms. So you can identify if you are insulin resistant, then of course you want to have solution. So we're going to go through how to reverse or prevent insulin resistance through nutrition and lifestyle. So I'm going to break down this one is part 1 and part 2 because the insulin is so massive, and then you know what, in just North America alone, more than like 65 to 70% of people, they are insulin resistant. There's some people, they don't even know they are insulin resistant. So I'm going to break down with about hormone, and then after that, I'm going to go through with you part 2 about insulin. So let's get started. Let's understanding hormone. What is a hormone? Hormone is it's a chemical messenger. So it's a communication tool in our body. So I can explain to you very simply right now. We communicate through this video on YouTube. So if I ask you to do something, you hear what I say, and then you're gonna actually, if I ask you to, can you write down the comment down below, and then you write things, then that's how we communicate. That's exactly what the hormone does in the body. And when you look at on the left side, the endocrine system, this is what, like most hormone made by glands in our body. But there's some hormone made by organs and also fat cell. We are going to actually go through that down the road, but mainly hormone is produced by glands of the endocrine system. And also hormone travel through your bloodstream to tissues and organs. So it tells the organs and tissues what to do and how to function. And also we produce about like 50 different type of hormones every single day. So let's go through. Okay, so endocrine system regulates many of the bodily functions. So this is all managing the bodily function through their hormone they communicate to your body. So respiration, metabolism, and reproduction, and also blood pressure and appetite, and even heart rate. Also sleep cycles and body temperature, sensory perception and movement, and sexual development and growth. And the thing is, when the gland don't produce the right amount of hormone, either produce too much hormone or too little hormone, that can affect many aspects of your life. And of course, you can develop disease as well. So this is a crucial, it's very important. So hormone is, you don't just ignore it. So let's, now this is the thing. So we're gonna dive into that insulin, the number 1 fat storing hormone.